Hi, Explain That here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off your iPhone camera sound. So there are two ways you can do this, and it's not through settings. So normally if you take a picture and you take a photo, you hear the photo. So if you want to turn that off, there are two ways to do it. So the first one is put on the side, put it on mute. So if you take a picture right now, it's silent, but also all your calls and all your messages will be silent as well. So if you don't want that, put it on sound again. So the next best thing to do is make live photos. So press on the right icon on the top, and now it says live photo. So if I take a photo right now, there's no sound, and still I don't have it on mute right now. So those are the two ways you can take photos without sound.